In front of me is ACER Iconia Tab P11, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Password Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to click on Passwords and Accounts. Then choose this gear next to Google. Tap on Google Password Manager and finally select the password you wish to check. Enter your screen lock and tap on this eye icon right next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!